Can we play this small video? So good afternoon. This is really outstanding between lunch and dinner. Very tall, but it's not good, but I'll make it fast. I think today is a Indo-Bavarian Day. I'm so privileged and glad that a high-level delegation led by Dr. Rod-Dieter Jung, Amchef in the ministry, is with a high-level delegation here to strengthen this Indo-Bavarian relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you just a glimpse of what we have heard from Bavaria. We have heard wonderful two presentations what the strength of Bavaria is. Now let's see this more
Global players in sectors like automotive, medical technology, manufacturing, and also a key location for financial services. At the same time, Bavaria is one of the world's leading startup ecosystems, with many world-class universities, research facilities, startup hubs, and investors. But what we are really proud of is our talent to bring both worlds together.
Yeah, this is it. Tap into the opportunities in Bavaria. We have heard what are the opportunities being presented there, and the real great market that you can access when you are in Bavaria. So this is the state which is the economic powerhouse in the real heart of Europe. We had some facts about it, but I want to stress two aspects here. This state alone is the seventh largest economy in Europe of 28 EU member companies. That says it. This small state as the seventh largest economy. And more than 20% of German world market leaders are from this state. No wonder why this is happening. Because of all these elite universities working there and all the professors, working behind all these innovations happening there. Some of the global champions, what we have heard, and names like BMW, Audi, Adidas, Puma, Unilever, Allianz, a great number of companies coming from Bavaria for the world. And Bavaria and India have a great relation, and it has started in 2001 to intensify more. You will see Professor Lehman sitting here, who was from the beginning was part of this initiative, and the different delegations like the one here today who has strengthened this relationship from different ministries, including the Prime Minister of the state, and thus it strengthened and nurtured this Indo-Bavarian relationship for the last 2 decades and more. And this, our minister delegation for the Minister Blooming was supposed to be here. So this kind of, people meeting, I think that is the key to success for this Indo-Bavarian relation which is strengthening today. The innovation strategy of the state, we heard about the high-tech agenda. So we have 5 areas where we are working in India to connect with the innovation strategy in the state. Digitalization, mobility, energy, life sciences, semiconductors, where we are focusing. To create synergies, to attract Indian talents and companies to come and establish there. So you will see as the subdivisions of these sectors under mobility, where we focus 4 or 5 key areas, the life science, energy, materials, digitalization. So we have really niche technology areas where we are looking at Indian companies, Indian partners, organizations to come and collaborate. If you have any information, stand there, welcome, say hello to Bavaria. So please ensure that you come and meet our colleagues there, Shilpa and Priyanka are there. So they will give you any information you need. So these initiatives of the government, we heard high-tech agenda, cluster OpenSea, 70 clusters, we have industry clusters which nurture innovation and foster collaboration globally and within Germany. For the tech vision Bavaria, this high-tech agenda we heard, this is amazing. I think to attract the Indian talent and companies, those who have heard today, I was surprised to see this kind of innovative companies are here in Bangalore. And no wonder Bavaria and Bangalore are the real players and partners for the future. AI system which will change the world and the connected economy, medical engineering, mobility, play game, whatever it is. This is all going to be the future with AI and other emerging technologies. You will see in Bavaria why this has become an AI and IoT hub. You will see all the major players from the world, Microsoft, IBM, Fujitsu, Google, all are coming to Bavaria because of this excellent talent they get with. The ecosystem the government has built up and the partners who come from all over the world. Likewise, the quantum computing where we are focusing, the Bavarian government is focusing, you will see 40% of, most of the major activities happening in the state within Germany. And the ecosystem being built all over the state. And aerospace and space applications are one of the other major, more than 460 companies in the state, in the aerospace sector. There, of course, Bangalore and India plays a major role in the space travel and other related industries. So we have a good partnership possibly here. Cleantech, the Center for Wasserstoff in Nuremberg, and the Bavarian Battery Network, all these emerging, the future, the vision of this high-tech is its future. So all these are technologies and initiatives of the government where I want Indian key technology players to come and participate in that. Global players, hidden champions, you will see more than 600,000 SMEs in the state alone. So you will see also global players present in the state, but more of them are the backbone of the industry there is the SMEs there. Bavaria has become a home for the top Indian companies. Take from many IT industries or any other sectors like life science, automotive, component manufacturers, and very, very tech companies coming there, and startups also who can add value to the ecosystem there. So I encourage all of you to look at this stage to participate. There are enormous opportunities there, and we are there in Bangalore since 2001 with our office. We'll be glad to provide you any information you might need. So we have heard that we have also now 15 flights directly connecting Bavaria with India from Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. We have more than 300 Bavaria joint ventures. We are the Bavaria's top 10 trading partners. Yes. So we have amazing opportunities for the future, and I'm grateful to the wonderful delegation here today to take this forward, to connect more, to find more collaborators and partners here in India, and to work with the Indian ecosystems here. And another wonderful thing is that Bavaria and Karnataka are partner states. 2007 we signed the agreement. So there is no other better connection than these two aims of the Germany and India coming together. We have a lot of activities going together. So as a state office here in Bavaria, our main task is to help Indian technology companies to set up in the Bavarian state. We help you with information, site search, contacts, and all free of charge. Please get in touch with us for any information you might need. So these are, Indo-Bavarian relations through so many activities what we have through the years. We also participate in bring delegations, events, B2B meetings. All these are kind of where I really strongly believe when people meet, business comes, ecology and ecosystems grow together. So this is an amazing place to do business, to live and to study. And I would like to welcome all of you to Bavaria. Say welcome to Bavaria, say hello to Bavaria. Thank you for your attention.